In this video, you'll learn how to take a few words and turn them into an ultra catchy vocal hook for your song.
So put the kettle on and we'll meet you back in the studio. Hello revolutionaries! I'm Kate Harmony, this is Ray Harmony, and welcome to the Hack Music Theory Show,
where you are empowered with notation-free theory for making great music.
Firstly, we want to say a big thank you for all of your kind comments about our new single, Throwing Words, and the YouTube series of theory hacks from the song.
Yeah, we really appreciate that, thank you. And secondly, in this brand new series, you're going to learn the theory hacks we use to make our next new upcoming single called Down With The Drama. And it features the incredible voice of local singer Sarah Serene, who's only 16 years old.
Down with the drama, down, down with the drama.
Alright, let's jump in. But first, do.
Hack 1. Wrap it up. When Sarah turned up at her studio for the first writing session, she'd been dealing with a lot of high school drama and was sick of it. So she really wanted this single to be a just say no to drama kind of song. And so after a little brainstorming, this idea evolved into our hook, Down With The Drama.
Alright, so now the words are sorted. What you want to do next is speak them through a few times, just on the same pitch. You'll see we've just got everything on A right here. Get your rap on, so get that natural rhythm going. And any word you want to emphasize, you can repeat it. That's really great for a hook. We wanted to repeat down because we wanted to make it very clear that we were not okay with the drama. So we started by going down, down, down. 3 downs. Doesn't get more down than that. And then we've got with the drama. You can see there, it's just a quick one because it doesn't need more than that. And then drama is nice and even. And then this is the second down, 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 except you'll notice this time we switched it. We've got 2 downs and then a rest and then 1 down. So a little rhythmic variation there keeps things fresh. And we got with the drama, except this time instead of a quick drama, we got drama and as if that's not enough, we got another one, drama. Okay, so we really wanted to emphasize that, kind of draw it out, a little tongue-in-cheek, a little bit of fun. So okay, step 1 done.
Hack 2. Tune it in. Now that you've got the rhythm, you can move the notes up and down your scale or mode and turn this rap into a super catchy tune. And remember to choose your scale or mode based on the emotion behind the words in your hook.
Yeah, so we chose the Aeolian mode, aka the natural minor scale. We started on F sharp, so our notes are F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, and E. Okay, now let's turn this into a melody. And remember, great melodies have a combination of small intervals and large intervals. So those little intervals make the melody singable and catchy, and those large intervals inject a drama into your melodies. So we're going to start on the A, and then we can just do a little interval down there so it's all nice and singable. Coming down to the E, and then F sharp, and then you'll remember these 2 notes here, that is the word drama. So we're going to shoot all the way up to D and a C sharp. So you can see leading into that, we've got this huge interval. So it's all nice and singable and very small intervals, and then massive interval into drama. And also drama are our highest notes, so it's really going to stand out. Okay, and then let's put that up to C sharp, and then down to A again. And then we just back to little steps here, keeping it all nice and singable. And then this is the next drama, shooting all the way up. So you can see another huge interval. So we keep using those huge intervals to get up to the word drama. And then we're going to go to the B there, and then again up to another drama, and finishing on the A. Yeah, so remember, your melodies want both small and large intervals in them. Also, if you want our help writing melodies, then use our melody checklist. It's a nice, neat table of all our melody writing hacks in one place. You can literally tick them off as you're writing a melody. You can find that in the songwriting and producing PDF. The link is below. Alright, here's a final playthrough. Enjoy.